We're going to look at this model home. It's the Pulte Homes Builder. And this one is called Citrus Grove. Let's go in. I like the porch. Okay. Oh, this is nice. With a big entryway. Alright. Okay, so this is the bathroom. Nice and simple. This here is the flex room.
You can actually turn it into a regular bedroom too.
Yeah, they have a door. I think they have a closet. Yeah. So we definitely need extra space. I like that it could be a guest room or an office, recreation. I think it's a linen closet. Good space. Alright, so this is the entryway area. Just gonna go around, and this is the laundry room. It's nice. There's the washer and dryer. Nice space. Okay, this is the garage. Some high ceilings. Two car garage. Okay. Again, that's the entry. Hey, what you doing? Okay, now this is the gathering spot. It's a 2-story. I'm not really interested in 2 stories much, but this is a pretty good layout. Right, husband? I like that dining room area and the kitchen. Wow, this is really nice. I think this particular 2-story is growing on me. Wow. I like wood cabinets too. I thought I only like white, but I like wood tones. It warms up the space. There's a lot of neutrals going on in here. Wow, look at that cabinet space. Oh my gosh. Alright, got the stove. A giant island area. I can cook. Currently we don't have a dishwasher. That's nice. And currently we don't have a pantry. So this would be much needed. Wow, that's nice. It's really nice. Over here will probably be like my coffee bar area. This is the gathering room, dining room space. Very nice. You in the room, Wayne? Oh, and again, that's the entryway. Just showing how it opens up to the space. In these new model homes, I know a lot of them is open floor plan. And this one here is more storage space underneath the stairway. These little decorations. Now the master. Wow, this is nice.
It's a pocket door, see?
I like pocket doors. It's a king size bed with full nightstands and a full-size dresser. So this is a huge room. Oh, this is nice. Okay.
Like in the bathroom area, it's a light in there. See?
Okay. This is the master. Not a fan of the shower though. I still don't like this gym looking deep showers. I don't like that, but I think that could be cut in half where you can have a shower in the tub. But the shower's a good size. But the bathroom is a good size. Okay. Are you testing out the potty door? Oh, I didn't know it had a pocket door, which is good.
Yeah, you got a pocket.
Save
Yeah,
space.
pocket, yeah.
It save room, you know, instead of having a door to open everywhere. Okay, this is the closet. This is actually a good size closet. It's big.
Yeah.
It's real big, but I can see where we can load it up. Okay, well, you playing with that.
I want to see if they get locked.
Okay. I love the master. Okay, now it's time to go upstairs.
Yeah.
Wow, this kitchen is really nice.
It's a nice size.
Wow. See, and it's actually more seating. I know this. I want the dining room to be a little bit more spacious, but you could put actually like 4 stools right there.
Yeah.
Let's go upstairs. This is just extra space. So we got the master bedroom downstairs, that extra room, known as the flex room. And up here, I think it's, how many bedrooms?
3.
It's a lot of space. What's behind this door?
It's just like extra, like a linen closet or
Oh, I didn't notice.
house up here. Actually, this is a whole nother living space.
Like an apartment. I don't know what that is. This is nice. I don't think I want a TV and stuff up here, but
No, we don't have to put a TV up here.
I like that decoration.
It's at 73 degrees.
That's the first room. Good size. I like a queen size bed before. Here's the closet space. Oh, this thing is big. This is like a master closet in a way. Yeah, this is a good guest room. Yeah. Wow, this is nice.
This must be the garage area that we standing on.
Yeah, above the garage. Yep.
I think so. Is it?
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, we above the garage.
Okay.
This area here.
Sometimes you have too much space, but I think we'll need it. This is a huge bathroom. Upstairs bathroom. And a lot of storage. Linen closet. Double sinks. It's a nice bathroom. Okay. Okay, you're testing something out. To the right is another, this is the second bedroom. It's a good size. It's the other closet. It's smaller, but it's a good closet. Okay. I think it's utility. AC. Oh gosh,
Yeah.
the pressure.
Yeah, suction.
Okay, this
That's
is
good suction.
room number 3 upstairs. Huge closet as well. Let me turn the light on. Oh, this closet here. This is a huge closet. So cute. So there's 3 bedrooms up here, 1 bath. Downstairs is the master and that flex room, which also could be used as a bedroom. And isn't it a bathroom downstairs too?
Yeah.
I guess.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. All right, so here's how the home look on the outside. I think it's cute. I love the arches, and like I mentioned, my husband and I are not really fond of 2 stories, but this one here, y'all, it was really cozy. It wasn't overwhelming. It was really the perfect size for us and our growing family. So that's going to wrap it up with this video. Thanks y'all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to see more. And yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Y'all be blessed now.